All right, folks, got a 2020 Hyundai Kona, a little 4-cylinder. We're going to check out the spark plugs. All right, so I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs and the ignition coils. All right, this got about 40,000 miles on it, so it's not ready for plugs yet. But let's go take a look at it because it is a Hyundai. You never know, they might be burning oil. So let's do that. All right, so we're going to start off by taking these little covers off. Just pop it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right, put that off to the side. If you notice, it's pretty much all open over here. There's little clips here. So you take a little tiny screwdriver. See this little gray clip? And see the little black piece on the side? That black piece actually pushes down a little bit and the gray piece moves up. So I take a little screwdriver here and I'm just going to pry this up a little bit, just going to push it up. Okay, once the black piece disappears in there, that means this one is good to go. Just squeeze it and the connector comes right out. All right, in case you want to see it again, I'm going to do it up here. All right, just take a little screwdriver and just push this little piece up like that. You can squeeze it like that. Squeeze it and then pull the connector off. This is a little tougher. There you go. Okay, hasn't been moved in 40,000 miles, so that's why it's hard. But when you put it back in, you hear it click and then lock it in place. All right, that's that. The coil comes off with a 10mm bolt right here. Spin that off. Collect your bolt. Don't drop it. Go off to the side. The coil, just grab it, give a little bit of a twist, and it should pop right out. All right? Look for any debris in here. Look for any oil, any burn marks. Otherwise, the coil is good. All right? So at this point, if you're changing your coil, this is where you just replace it and put another one in. All right? Put it off to the side. Then we're down to the spark plug. Spark plug is a regular 5/8 spark plug. Let's drop it straight down. Okay, just use a spark plug socket, okay, because it has a little rubber boot and it'll grab it. There you go. Twist it off and the spark plug will be coming out any second now. There it is. All right. Wow, look at that. 40,000 miles. And the spark plug looks like that. It's kind of weird. Okay. I'll suggest it to the customer. See if they want to change the spark plugs. All right. It's got a lot of debris on it already. So it's kind of strange for 40,000. But remember, these iridium plugs, they change them every 100,000. So at the rate of this is going, I suggest this one gets changed now or at 50,000. All right. So when you get your new spark plugs, this one here is the originals from Kia. Put them right back in there with your new spark plugs. If you're changing them, go straight down on them. Don't drop it down because you don't want to bend the electrode. So nice and easy. Once it goes in there, you're going to spin it by hand. It's a long thread. There you go. All right. Take your ratchet and you just tighten it up. There is specifications you can, but since I'm not changing them right now, I'm going to give it a nice little snug. All right. Torque your spark plugs to specs and you'll be good. All right. Now, time for the coil. Goes back up, line up the hole for the bolt. Goes straight down, people. There you go. Then get the bolt. Make sure that spins in just as easy as it came out. Because otherwise you're cross-threading it and you're going to have problems down the line. Okay. Tighten up your bolt. So there's a torque spec for that too, but that's just to hold down the coil. It's not going to make much of a difference. Okay. Here's your wire. Plug it back in. You hear it click, and then you're going to lock it in place. And that's it. All right. Continue that with the other three. And there's your spark plug change, your ignition coil changes. All right, just be careful with the clip. Don't break it, because you do not want to break it. Then you can put your covers back on. All right, line up the four little holes there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And you're done. There's your spark plugs. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.